All right, welcome to lab number 5 in AZ-700. This lab is called Create a Virtual WAN using Azure Portal. And that's basically what we're going to do here. Okay, so we're going to first search for WAN. That's an interesting glitch there. Wide area network. And then we'll create one. We're going to use our existing resource group for this one. For our region, we're going to keep East US. Name should probably be something like Contoso Virtual WAN. And we're happy with the standard. So let's just review and create. All right, that's done. So now if we go to our virtual WAN resource, what we could add here is things like site-to-site gateways and that kind of stuff. And the thing that we're using for those is something called a hub. So let's create a new hub. It's already warning us that this is going to take a while. We want to put this hub in West US. Over here, we want to call it our Contoso Virtual WAN hub in West US. We want to have a private address space of 1060. This is something that we are not using elsewhere. For capacity, we're happy with minimum capacity. It's way enough for us, and express route is okay as the routing preference. And then here in the next page, we can actually create a site VPN connection. We can select how many scale units we want. We're again happy with the smallest number here, and Microsoft Network for routing is perfect. So that's everything we're going to do for now. So we're going to create a site-to-site VPN gateway to be able to connect to this hub. All right. Now, finally, that has completed. Again, another half an hour as what that took. So if we go over to this hub, should be able to see, sorry, I need to go over to the WAN. Just find the WAN itself. Here we go. Now under connectivity, we have virtual network connections. And because we have our VPN gateway in place, we can now add connections over here. Here you can see the hub. And the connection name, in our case, is going to be Contoso Virtual WAN 2, and the one subnet or the one VNet we haven't connected yet is going to be the research V. Right. So the hub is the hub that we've just created. Description is this one. The resource group is the Contoso resource group. The VNet that we want to connect to is the research VNet. So that's over here. We don't need to propagate that information to anyone for our purposes. And then we want to use the default route table for that. And that's it. As you can see, that works using peering. And that is the final activity of this lab as well. Again, I hope that you enjoyed watching the lab. Please do read the documentation if you want to know more about these services. The idea of these labs is not to introduce them, but rather to show you how they work in the console itself. So thanks again for listening, and see you in your next lab. Till then, bye.